Alright, here we go. This is the last box. All-time greats. We had LeBron and Dr. J for the first two. This is box 64. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Oh, and do you see? Jerry West. Jerry West. Number 37 out of 50. This is the first one. What a case. That's pretty nice, man. Jerry West, first one is 37 out of 50. Mark, Mr. St. Louis, had Jerry West. We have this one's numbered to 5, so we got a short print base going after somebody. Numbered 1 out of 5. 1 of 5 base. And 46 of 50. Last base, and the hit, auto, is numbered 1 of 5. Number 1 out of 5. Pretty sick. Congratulations, Mark. That is a 3-box case. I think we did pretty damn well. 3 players we got. Thanks for watching. Peace.